Okay. All right. I guess I'm live. Um, I know that nobody's here, so it's fine. Let's get started on this again. I've already done this once, so I'm doing it again because I need the practice. So I will um, not be submitting because edX already has it submitted, and apparently I can send it all over again. So let's start with problem set 0. I rewatched the original lecture uh, again today briefly. I had a bunch of stuff that I had to do today. So indoor voice writing in all caps. So we need to start. We need to start here. We're gonna make directory pset 0. We're gonna change directory to pset. Okay. Then I guess we have to do this. And then we're going to make directory indoor. Change directory indoor. And we're going to say code indoor.py. So then what do we got going on here? Right, prompt the user for an input, then output the same in lowercase. Punctuation or white speech should be omitted, should be outputted and unchanged. You're welcome but not required to prompt the user to explicitly as by passing a string as your own argument to the input. Okay. So, and what's we're taking capitalization and we're putting it all lowercase. So we're taking some sort of message from the user input, and that is super tiny. I forgot about that. Size. We take the user input, and then we need to take print message dot lower close brackets, and I think that's really all that we need. Then let's go Python indoor py caps. This is CS50 return. Okay. Okay, let's try. Let's make sure that it's doing everything that we needed to do according to them. So python.py. Hello. And then if we go, we already did this is CS50 indoor.py, enter 50, it inputs 50. Okay, so we're just going to do a check. We can't do it that way. We'll just copy paste. Copy. Control insert. Nope. Shift insert. Yes. And we're doing a check. Okay. Okay, that's fine. And we need to change directory.